Hello everyone, welcome to Srivarna Sarees. Today I am going to show Banarasi saree. మంచి thick red color border part, all over saree look. మంచి peacock blue color saree. Peacock blue color saree. Overall saree look. Overall saree look. Peacock blue color saree with thick red color border part. And this is the pallu part. This is the pallu part, and this is the blouse. Manchi magenta pink color blouse with border part. This is the blouse with border part, and this is the pallu part. Overall saree look, excellent color combination, beautiful design, and the price 1675 rupees only. Take a screenshot, and the price 1675 rupees.